What's up guys, it's Geeks Corner here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. I actually just purchased this from the Apple Store today and I've been looking at this for quite some time, and obviously, as most of you will now know, that this is obviously cheaper than the original version. It's supposed to be lighter and some of the functionality is supposed to be slightly different. So I've been looking at this pretty much since they announced it and have been debating getting it. So yeah, I just went ahead and got that. Now this one is currently priced at $129.95. I actually did manage to get a bit of a discount on this from the Apple Store as well, so that's definitely worth adding in there. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this now. So whilst I'm unboxing this, just to let you guys know that we are obviously on YouTube, we're also on Instagram TV. We will be uploading this onto Instagram TV as well, so make sure that you follow us on there as well, and links will be in the description below. Now you've probably seen all the other YouTube videos reviewing these. We will be doing a bit of a review later on once I've used it, just to see how it compares. Obviously some of the YouTube reviews are going to be a bit more biased than others. But yeah, I've heard a lot of good things. I've heard some negative things comparing to the first one. However, the only time I've ever used the first one was testing it in the Apple Store. I've never actually used it, so my experience would probably be slightly different to maybe those who've used the original one as well. So the first thing we get in here is obviously the booklet with the instructions. So we just pop that to one side, and then the actual unit itself. So nice polystyrene case there with the DJI logo. I do really like the black things anyway. I've got a black iPhone 8 and I've also got a black case on my AirPods as well. So I do like the black themes going on these products. It's not for everybody, which I appreciate. But yeah, so that's just something I quite like. Obviously you got your little gel here, we'll just check that out the side. So you got your charging cable here. One thing I would have hoped would have been a bit of a USB-C type cable, but obviously I was aware of this when I purchased it, so just one little preference I would have had. And then you've actually got the unit itself. Now I don't really know if it actually comes with a charge, so we'll have a quick look on here. No, nothing at all, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and charge this up. But yeah, so as you can see, pretty minimalistic what you actually get in the box, which I'm kind of glad for, to be honest. I will be looking at something more of a better carry unit for this, possibly in the box as well. Probably like a little bit of a rucksack type thing going on or something like that. But yeah, so that's it guys for the actual unboxing. I hope you guys found that useful, and I will catch you on the next one.